good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 19 from verse 41 to verse 48. Jesus bawl for Jerusalem. After Jesus catch near Jerusalem and see the city, him start bawl for them. And I say, Jerusalem, if you the uncle know today, I would have give you peace. But the truth hide from you. The day will come when your enemy them are going to build up one wall around you so they can attack you from every side. And you can't get away. Them are going to mash you down to the ground and kill off all of your people them. Them not even going to left no rock stone on top of one another. Cause the time when God come to turn with you, you never know. Jesus in a God house. Jesus go in at the yard where God house there and start drive out the people where they in there and sell. Him said to them, say, it right down in a God word say, for me house, I go be one house where people come for pray. But uno turn it in a one hideout for thief. Every day, Jesus teaching at the yard where God house there. The head priest, the law teacher them, and the leader them too, did a set for kill him. But they couldn't find no way to do it. Cause everybody did a listen every word where Jesus say. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God